Welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see that how can we handle authentication pop-ups using our Selenium WebDriver script, right? So here we can see that over the website the internet.herokuapp.com we have the basic authentication, right? So if I open it, it is asking for username and password, and if I cancel it, then you can see that it is saying not authorized, right? But if I enter the username and password, the username and password are, you can enter any username and the password is admin. Okay, so if I enter the username as admin and password also as admin, because it has told to enter the password as admin, right? So if we sign in, then you can see that we have signed in, right? Congratulations, you must have the proper credentials, right? So basic auth has been cleared and we signed in. Okay, it is not showing that not authorized. Okay, so we will do this via our script. So in order to do this, there is a very straightforward method to do this. So let me open the script and let me remove all this from the previous video. And yeah, wait for a while. Okay, so we have invoked the Chrome, browser here, and then simply, for example, if you see the URL, we have this particular URL, right? So Control C, and let me paste that particular URL over here, and open this particular basic auth URL and copy this, Control C, and then paste that particular URL also over here, right? So Control V. So this particular URL, you just need to write something over here and nothing but the username. For example, the username is admin, provide a colon, and then write the password, which is admin only. Okay, and then you just write here @. Okay, so copy this particular URL, Control C, and then paste here driver.get, right? In the driver.get, just paste it, Control V, right? Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay. Control S, and let me comment out these two lines. Yeah. So now let me save the script, and directly we will be able to, get through that authentication pop-up. Why? Because we have provided the username and password over here only. Okay. So let me run the script now, and you'll see that we will directly be able to pass that authentication pop-up. So it's opening, and yeah, you can see that the basic authentication pop-up we bypassed, and the page opened, which got opened when we entered the username and password, right? It is not showing here not authorized, so we got authorized, right? So this was a very simple way in order to pass the authentication pop-ups. Also, if you want to test this particular authentication pop-up over different browsers, so you can change here Firefox driver, and then create the object of Firefox driver. Okay, and you can check for the edge also, right? So this is how we accept the authentication pop-up and bypass the authentication pop-up which appears when we open a website, right? So I hope this video was clear to you. Till then, keep learning, keep revising, and keep watching.